Oh boy, are you shit, folks. Bernie Sanders is literally hanging out with Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy, those billionaire bro buddies. What's next? A socialist joining the Illuminati? Elon is right? More like Elon is delusional. I mean, come on, Sanders wants to slash defense spending because only 13 senators voted against the military-industrial complex? That's code for I have no idea what I'm talking about. It's not that hard to see how a multi-billionaire with a few Twitter followers doesn't get it. But hey, who needs competence when you've got a dope chainsaw and a bad comb-over? You know, this is like the definition of opportunistic socialism. Sanders finds some billionaire pals who are willing to join forces with him because, why not? It's not like they're going to revolutionize the government or anything. They just want to be part of the cool kids club and pretend to care about actual social change. And let's not forget, this is a guy who thinks Elon is right. That's rich coming from someone who has never had to make a difficult decision in his life. I mean, Bernie, you've been a senator for decades. What have you ever done that required actual leadership? You know the answer to that one: nothing.